question 1, based on your finding, what is the condition of brake pad? Should it replace with the new pad? Okay, based on our finding, the condition of the brake pad is still intact. Looking at the brake pad thickness and surface, the thickness based on finding is on average 6.5 millimeter. So the thickness is within the specification where the limit of the brake pad is 2.0 mm. So it no need to replace with the new brake pad.
For question 2, list two causes of rotor thickness variation. What is the correct repair procedure of thickness variation? Two causes of rotor thickness variation is pedal pulsation, which happen when the brake disc rotates through the brake pad and calipers. It is more noticeable when it is used heavy brakes. Next is steering wheel can feel a vibration and pulsation while you are driving. So the correct repair procedure of thickness variation is by resurfacing the brake disc, surface repair the uneven brakes of brake disc.
For question 3, what do you understand about runout measurement data? Runout measurement is to measure the straightness of the brake disc to identify the thickest and the thinnest part of the brake disc. From the dial gauge, when the dial gauge rotates to anti-clockwise, it means that section of the rotor is the thinnest part. While when the dial gauge rotates clockwise, it means that the section of the rotor is the thickest part.
For question 4, what is your finding for the guide pin lock pin straightness check? What can happen to your disc brake system if guide pin or lock pin is not straight? Based on my finding for this guide pin straightness check, the straightness of the guide pin is in a good condition by using a roll test. When the guide pin is not straight, it will affect the braking performance where it affects the brake pad contact surface. The brake pad surface between inner and outer brake pad is uneven here. This occurs because the guide pin presses the caliper jam and not return to its original position.
So as for our conclusion, in this lab, we have learned the function of disc brake and how it works on stopping the vehicle. The disc brake has a metal disc or rotor instead of drum. It uses a pair of flat line shoe or pads that are forced against the rotating disc to produce braking. The pads are held in a caliper that's threaded in the disc. In this lab, we've learned the procedure on how to remove the disc brake and the caliper from the vehicle. After that, we've learned the name of all the parts in disc brake and checked the condition of every part. We also know the way to inspect the disc brake by measuring the disc rotor and the brake shoe thickness. It is very important to service and check all the disc rotor lining and caliper for the safety of the vehicle when braking.